turi kugambaho n'omushaho kwebembera irwariro rya Kibiito Dr. Robert Bija yashobora ku irwariro ryina abashaho bake abashaho 33 abashimwe kuba bine kandi irwariro niragura abarwire emitwaro 26.
Things we have is the human resource. The human resource is a big challenge in Kibiito Center for instance, much as the current revised structure recommends us to have 133 staff, Kibiito Center has 60.
Dr. Bija nagira ngo oyihireho ekizibu cy'abashaho kuba bake bine ebindi bizibu byo butagira irindiro ry'abafu za ward z'abarwire bari kubaceberabo ninje.
For serious challenges, for instance, if someone dies right now, we have to improvise and put someone in the corridor. So we don't have even a mortuary. Mortuary we don't have. So, but we are grateful for partners who are promising. Even restrooms. Recently we had the latrine which was commissioned by IRC. Initially we had only one.
Peter Musinguzi urumukuru w'entebe ya katana wa district ya Bunyangabu yashaba government okurakuranisa irwariro rya Kibiito kuruga ahari center ya kana kuba irwariro rukuru rya district ecyakubasa kwera okusya abantu buhereza burungi.
Upgrade our facility to a general hospital, and I'd like to ask the CEO and the marketing team in your report also capture what we have found here. The numbers are overwhelming, but the infrastructure is limiting.
Inshongezi zigambirweho omukampeni ya MTN Uganda eya Yerokea ahirwaro ahakwayo ebitanda za gloves, mama kits, patient monitor, computers negari izikuyambaho abashaho byanga. Franklin Kano Ocharo or General Manager wa Gross and New Business MTN Uganda nagira gwekine kigendererwa cyo kusyaho abakazi hamwe n'abantu buhereza ombyamagara.
Taking access of health, taking access of the equipment required to support maternal health care is very important, because that's what brings this close and enables the community to receive these services close to where they are. And this has a big trickle effect.
Abakuru hamwe n'abatura basima ahabwe bukozesa barukushobora okubikwija kubayambaho otiriho n'irwarire.
Obere no jamu ward kuzara no sanga roho mukazi ali mukuzali no malira lebo gigi omwana umuzali hansa go kusanga obutabo butayito then obwo kumara kuzara obutabo bwikere bulo bubere butayito muno bekemba buhereza na muno munaba basemezibwe.
Somebody wants to go home with the memories of the service they got from Kibiito here. Did they slip down? Now we have beds. Did they have a situation where the baby needed the oxygen? We never had oxygen. We have the concentrator. Did they come and they found the place dirty? We have the cleaning materials being supplied.
We have received the medical equipment. Let's ensure to maintain our equipment so that we can also serve our people.
Irwariro rya Kibiito niryo rukuru ryonka omuri Bunyangabu kwihefuka district emyaka mwende nyuma. Amakuru agashakwa Justin Nyakisiki omuri Bunyangabu.
Yes, and as you move here, you receive also your